Hi! Today we are going to read the book called Hoppy, Hanukkah, and as we read, we'll be modeling language on the accent device with the Unity 84 sequence software. Hoppy Hanukkah is a story about Hanukkah traditions. A tradition is something that we do every year to celebrate a holiday. So it's something you do every year.
Something you do every year.
And in this book, our characters Violet and Simon are going to learn about the things that happened in their house to make it feel like Hanukkah. So they're going to do things that make it feel like Hanukkah.
Hanukkah. Feel like Hanukkah.
Go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. "What's that, Papa?" asked Violet. "Our menorah," said Papa. "Remember last year when we lit the Hanukkah candles in it?" "No, but let's do it again," exclaimed Simon. So Violet and Simon don't remember the menorah from last year, so it's something that is new to them.
Something that is new.
Something new to them. They don't remember it from last year, but it's part of their family's traditions for Hanukkah, or the way they celebrate Hanukkah. "We will," said Mama. "Hanukkah starts tonight. Here, you can each put in one candle." Violet and Simon each chose their favorite color. Violet picked red, and Simon picked blue. I think if I were going to pick, I would pick pink.
Pick pink.
Because pink is my favorite color.
My favorite color. My favorite color.
What's your favorite color? What color would you pick if you were picking a candle for the menorah? "Now let's light them," said Simon. "Not yet," said Papa. "Not until the sun sets." Till the sun sets? I wonder what that means. I think that means we are going to wait for the sun to go down.
Go down.
When the sun goes down, it gets dark. It gets dark.
Go down, gets dark.
The sun goes down, it gets dark, and that's when they will light the Hanukkah candles. "I want Hanukkah now." Violet hopped up and down on the couch. "Me too." Simon hopped so hard his ears flopped. I think that Violet and Simon feel really excited. They feel excited.
Feel excited.
About Hanukkah and about lighting the menorah. "We'll wait until nighttime," said Papa. Mama nodded. "That makes it feel like Hanukkah. Each night we'll light one more candle for 8 nights. Violet's eyes grew wide. "That sounds beautiful." "On the last night, we'll fill the whole menorah," Papa beamed. "Goody," Violet clapped. "I'll make a wish and blow them all out. Like this." "Me too, like this." Simon blew so hard his ears flew. But I think they might be confused because they're thinking the menorah is like a birthday cake where you blow those candles out. But I think they're going to find out that it is not like a birthday cake, and that you have to keep the candles lit. You have to keep them lit. Let's see what happens. Papa shook his head. "We don't blow them out. We put them in the window for everyone to see." Mama nodded. "Jews have done this for a long, long time. That makes it feel like Hanukkah too." So, having the menorah in your window makes it feel like Hanukkah.
Hanukkah. Feel like Hanukkah.
Makes it feel like Hanukkah. Violet's nose twitched. What's Grandma cooking? It's the best smell ever. She smells something good.
Good.
She smells something good. Potato latkes, called Grandma, fried in oil for Hanukkah. Grandpa patted his tummy. Crispy latkes always make it feel like Hanukkah. Simon's nose wiggled so hard that his tummy jiggled. Let's eat, he exclaimed. Wait, Violet pointed. The sun's going down. It's time, cried Simon. They hopped up and down all around the kitchen. Happy Hanukkah, Grandma sang out. Grandpa shook his head. Around here it's Hoppy Hanukkah, because they're rabbits and rabbits hop. Giggling, Violet and Simon hopped right to the table. Papa said the blessings and lit the candles, and the whole room glowed. Now this feels like Hanukkah, Mama said. Mama said, this feels like
Hanukkah. This feels like Hanukkah.
This feels like Hanukkah. Violet and Simon snuggled next to her. They watched the candles burn, and they ate plenty of latkes. Grandpa showed them how to play dreidel. What fun! The dreidel is a game that you play at Hanukkah time. So it's a game you can play.
Game you can play.
And everybody loves to play the dreidel game, or to play the dreidel. Grandma gave them each a Hanukkah present. Ducky pajamas. Another tradition of Hanukkah is to give a gift. So you can give a gift.
Give gift.
For each day of Hanukkah. So for 8 days you can give a gift. Mama tucked them into bed. My little bunnies, you know what really makes it feel like Hanukkah? What do you think makes it feel like Hanukkah?
Hanukkah. Feel like Hanukkah.
Mama said to the children, do you know what makes it feel like Hanukkah? And they shook their heads. What? They asked.
What?
What? She gave them each a soft squeeze and said, you. So she told Simon and Violet, you make it feel like Hanukkah.
Hanukkah. You make it feel like Hanukkah.
I hope that you have a happy Hanukkah and celebrate some of these traditions with your family this year.